Hello everyone, welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today I have come up with the yummy and mouth-melting halwa recipe, guava custard halwa, the unique recipe. So let's start. I have taken 6 ripened guava. Remove the top and bottom of guava. And cut it into pieces. And keep it aside now. Heat pan. Add 1 cup of water and add guava pieces into it and boil it for 15 minutes till the guava turns soft. Boil it in medium flame. Now let's make custard slurry. Take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of custard powder. To that add 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it well without any lumps and keep it aside. Here I am using homemade custard powder. To know the recipe, check out the description box below. Now let's check the guava pieces. Guava pieces has been cooked well. Let it cool completely. Once it cools completely, transfer it into a mixer jar and blend it into fine paste. Strain the seeds and separate the pulp and keep it aside. Now heat pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. To that add few cashews and raisins and fry it. Fry it in low flame. Once it turns golden brown, transfer it into a bowl. Now add guava pulp into it and cook it in medium flame. I had already shown how to make guava halwa without adding custard powder. So check out the recipe in the description box. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar. For half cup of guava pulp, I have used 2 tablespoons of sugar. If the quantity of pulp is more, you can increase the quantity of sugar. Once the sugar dissolves, add custard slurry into it. Mix it once before adding the custard slurry. Add the custard slurry and stir continuously to avoid lumps. Once the halwa starts thickening, add fried cashews and raisins into it and turn off the flame. The unique recipe guava custard halwa is ready to serve. Try out this unique recipe, friends. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's cookbook for more videos.